Yeah, there's duck. I'll come out, let the chickens out. It's been windy. The mountain's got new snow on it. They got a lot of snow this year, and I hope I hope it's a good sign that maybe we'll get more rain. The whites are ready to go out. This is where they'll go out into this food forest, and maybe I can show you the mountains. I get out there in the driveway, I get blown away. It cooled down. Bill's been cleaning up this bed, and looks good. What? Yeah, he took a lot of bushes down, willows right through here, so we can see inside the garden better. And everything's trying to bud out. Looks very cold up in the mountains. Hey, Annie. Yes? Dust storms. We're still having dust storms. Hey, let me get over here. What's Gus and Annie doing? Are you getting out of the wind? Good. So I'm going to go let them out and let them scratch around. We got seeds in here in all these beds. It's wheat and rye or something like that. Bill put out here in every one of them. And I can't hardly talk because of the wind. The camera doesn't pick it up very well. You better watch it. Bill, come check on me. and the white girls are getting ready to go out. And there's Rocky. He's the toughest rooster we got. He'll whip everybody. Yeah. There they go. They love getting out in the food forest, messing around. Hey girls, are you ready to go out? Oh, they are. They love the food forest. Come on. There's Jumping Jack. You ready? Alright. Just a minute, I gotta open up the gate. Oh. There they are. Yeah, cleaning up the food forest, getting it ready. Got the seeds in here. Oh, rye and wheat. Yeah. And then when they come up, the girls can go in there and have some grass. Yeah. See, we got all the gates shut off. They can't go in there. So we've been watering it because it has been getting a little warmer. Hey, you take care of them girls. He said, I will. He turned out to be a nice rooster. Jumping Jack. Now here's the old girls. They get to go out to the food forest too. This is my oldest girl. But she's hanging on. Come on, girls. There they go. They love the food forest. Now I'm gonna let Duck and the girls and the guineas go out in the driveway. And they get in the hay barn. And I seen duck. There's a male guinea by the fence. I seen duck the other day feed that guinea. He raised the guineas up. He always loved guineas. But he put that food right in that boy's mouth. Anyway, I'm going to let him out. Go on. Hey, get them Wyandottes. Y'all better get on out there. Who's waiting for Mama? Who is that waiting for Mama, huh? I said, come on out there, Mama. Yeah. So, the fish water is getting dirty. I do feed them a little bit because there's no algae in there right now. And they're getting better used to me coming up. But I had a big one that didn't make it. She kept coming up to the top, rolling over and stuff. And I think we couldn't find it. So I think Clyde got it because he was looking at it. And he wouldn't leave it long, like, I want to eat that. Did you eat that fish, Clyde? I bet you did. But anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you on the next video. Bye. I'm going back in. It's cold out here. Yeah. What's in that water, Clyde? Are you going to be a fisherman? You probably will be.